Today, I will tell you how to sprout peppers before planting. You need hot water, napkins, any plastic container for your seeds, a spoon, seeds of your favorite kind of pepper, a favorite drink for a good mood. Good mood is very important. Take a napkin. Put the napkin in the container. Take a spoon with hot water. Lightly pour over the napkin. Just a little bit. Take the seeds. Take each seed with a wet finger and put seeds on a napkin. Take a napkin again. Put the napkin on the top. Take a spoon with hot water and lightly pour the napkin. Take any plastic bag. Place the container in the bag. Put the container in a warm place in the house. Seeds need more than a week. Check the seeds. When they sprout, you can plant them.